Alright, it's a video on how to move your crypto from Coinbase to Gemini. So you're going to go on Gemini, find the crypto that you want. I'm going to pick Polygon. I'm going to click deposit. Right, it's just saying that it's ERC20. We're going to copy the address. Now we're going to go to Coinbase and find that same crypto that we picked. So I picked Polygon. I'm going to click crypto addresses. See that to section right under it? You're just going to paste the address. Just paste it right there. Boom. Okay. It's going to say that it's a valid MATIC address. That's cool. Also, you're going to have to think about the network fees. So there's a 0.9 MATIC. That's cool. It's whatever. So I'll put 77 MATIC. Alright. Cool. Just check everything out. Make sure everything is right. And then we're going to click on withdraw. Now you're going to get a text message from Coinbase for the verification code. Just confirm. Coinbase Pro moves a little slow, so I like a Gemini Active Trader more than Coinbase Pro. Plus, Coinbase has a lot of lawsuits and stuff going on, so this is just to be safe. Alrighty, so as you can see, here's my balance. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.